Replacement of the hinge. Firstly, we disconnect the power supply. After disconnecting the power supply, we gently lift the cover upwards. Here you can see two pieces of iron. Iron piece, we take it off. After removing it, you can see there are two screws. There are also two screws on this side. After removing them, we gently pull upwards to replace them. Once we've removed the top cover, we'll gently press this downwards. Then we turn the cover upside down. When it's upside down, we'll remove the screws. The hinge can be taken out. Take it out, pull it out and put a new one in. Put it through like this. Then put it in. Screw it back in. Same thing on this side. We'll take it out here. After we take it out, we pull it out. Then we take a new one and put it back in. And then we put it back in like this. Put it back in like this. Then we put the screws in. Turn it over again. Turn it upwards. And put the cover back on. And then put the screws back in.